It's better kaya maging masamang tao na lang. Nagawin ko sa ibang tao yung ginawa sa akin.
Pwede naman. Literally, pwede naman.
Pero, yun pa talaga ako. And then, dumating din ako sa point na, Lord, ayoko na. Pagod na ako. Mas okay siguro mag-ano din ako.
Pwede rin naman.
Pero paano yung mga anak ko?
Exactly.
Isa lang ako.
Now, I joke about this, not because I make fun of you, but lahat ng sinabi mo pwede. But you know hindi yun yung tamang sagot, tama? Because you know that you're destined for something bigger. And some of you, I'm guessing right now, you can relate to this, yes? In one way or form or the other, yes? I get a sense that you're a very loving woman. Tama ba? But have you been loving yourself?
I was empty.
Exactly. So what does loving yourself look like?
Dapat yung binibigay ko sa other people, dapat yun yung una kong binibigay na ako naman dapat. Ako
Correct.
naman muna.
Correct. Let that be your battle cry. Ako naman muna. So that you don't be the healer na kailangan ng healing. And it's okay. Hindi yun selfish. Kasi the more that you complete yourself, other people will see that in you. So that's one way you can start. Take care of yourself. How do I love myself more? So that hindi ka ubos.